my party because I really die hard of MK party. I love this party. That's why ngithi mina angazi mina ngikhuluma manje maqembu ngiyawahlonipha neqembu lakhe lela kulona ngiyalihlonipha noma engafuna ukuphumela obala sitshela amagama ayima fake lapha because now we've discovered that his real name and surname, that thing is just a stage name, if I can put like that way. Lonto nje angasipedeli ke lo mfana. So I'm excuse me to use that for my vernacular, but then I'm upset, you know, you'd say anything most ngenxa yomuntu oyi1 ususa umuntu omdala. uKhomo is a very disciplined member of the MK. He is a very disciplined. He'll never talk very highly with someone, or always he rise above and talk nicely with the people. But him umregard as umuntu wrong, wathini ungathangani umupha amagama. That boy is lacking a discipline serious. I don't know where he's reflecting a bit of his background to me, and I even wish where it has come from. Where la abantu abadala ukhuluma ngathi